The tulip effect itself is not a new effect in the industry. It's kind of a classic. It's a laminar bell of water that lands silently and creates a nice 360-degree clean sheet as it comes out of the nozzle. What's innovative about this product is that we have now made it deck level and foot friendly for interactive play, as well as added LED lighting and the opportunity to add our Oscilo sequencing control so you can create moving patterns of these lovely domes of water. Turned out to be quite more attractive than we originally thought it would be. The biggest technical challenges with a development like this is really around getting the water effect right. Water has its own ideas about what it wants to do. You have to manage turbulence and some of the tolerances and openings in the jets quite carefully. So we do that with a number of experiments, and in this case that was true. We'll often start by 3D printing a model or certain inserts or certain parts of the jet, and just that allows us to do very quick prototype. At the same time, we always have a flow and pressure target in mind, so we're always measuring that. Once we think we've got the working geometry, then we come to our machine shop and we will get them to manufacture the solid components out of the actual final metal, in this case 316 stainless steel, which is what most of our products are made from now. But Crystal's brand is quality and reliability, of course. We want things to stand up. These are for interactive play, so people are going to be running back and forth over them with bare feet or with shoes on, and we felt the only choice was to use solid machine stainless. Main testing for this particular one was aesthetic testing. Our more sophisticated products go through all kinds of different tests. We have an environment chamber to take it from plus 60 degrees down to minus 50 degrees. We have hot and cold cycling tanks where we thermally shock the product. Again, because of the simplicity of this design and its solid nature, it didn't require those high-end tests, but we did require quite a few cycles of the aesthetic testing, and that involved the client as well. So we would set it up, have the sales team and client team review it either live or through video, and they might come back with some suggestions. We would set it up again. So we probably went through close to a dozen iterations before we were happy with the result. And from a quality perspective, some of the main things are during the assembly to get the tolerances correct, because the gap around the edge and the shape of the edge is very important to getting that water effect just as clean and clear as we want it to be. I think the main thing for me that makes me feel proud is that it's something we were able to take a client's vision, which was to mimic the lavender fields in the south of France, and create a device that did achieve that. And then they were very happy with it. The city's very happy with the look. And so it achieved the artistic vision, but it also then, the great thing for us is it spins off as a product on its own that can be used in also lots of other looks and features. I thought it was a neat idea, and anytime we can take and combine a few of our relatively standard elements like an Oscilo, an LED light, and a tulip jet into an innovation, right? And so, as George Carlin once said, anytime you bolt two things together, it's a new invention, right? So by doing that, we've taken some stock ideas and created something new and unique and very cool.